Alex. Don't know style like tough and rap, but you still have your own.
Oh, yeah.
Solid flavor.
Right now me have a family to feed, so me have to work hard. Fi me daughter, fi me woman and farm. Life no easy, me no life too hard, but you can't afford to look sad. Life too expensive nowadays, but me pray to see better days. Better days every day for that place make you open.
Hi guys, it's Numerous once again with a very interesting video as always. Yes, and today first I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for 1,200 subscribers so far. I'm so grateful and I'm so humble to reach that milestone. I'm so grateful for you, all of you. So today I have a very interesting video. I want you to be attentive. As you can see, today I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to do my eyebrows. So to all the new subscribers here and to all new followers, my channel is about comedy, is about yoga, is about lifestyle. It's all about everything, and sometimes I do some right now I have some edition of Mafikira called a Mafikira edition for educating and entertaining and inspiring people. So if you haven't watched the Mafikira edition, please go back and do some watching. Yeah, I have some few Mafikira edition videos and you can always watch them, and you can always be part of my Premier Gang. Yes, you can always be part of my Premier Gang every 3 p.m. Yes, and anytime so that anytime I post my video, you can be part of my Premier Gang. Okay. Today I feel confused because it has been a while since I did a video like this. I've been doing Mafikira, and Mafikira is just I think, and boom, I start my video. So today, okay, I went to the supermarket the other day and I came across this kit, okay. So as you all know me, not all know me, but most of you know me, I'm that girl who don't do makeups. So, and even my eyebrows, I don't do it so much. I just, just a little touch. So I went to the supermarket and I found this. It's a brows kit, and we are going to unbox it. We're going to unbox it and use it. So let's see, we're going to read the instruction. We have the instruction here. Yeah, it's all in one kit for perfectly styled brows. Okay, kit contain duo parrots. Yes, duo parrots. Let me remove them, all of them. I'm going to show you one by one at a time. Duo parrots, this one, then 2 stencils, razor. I think it's this one. 2 stencils, razor. The razor. This one is the razor. You can use this one for combing, and this one is the razor for, Then we have micro pencil. This one is a micro pencil. All you do is chuk. See, naipandisha micro pencil, and spoolie and liner brush. Spoolie I didn't even know it's called spoolie and liner brush. So I went to the supermarket and I found these ones. Then I said, why not? My brows they've not been the perfect brows. I know. And then, without forgetting, the arc. This one you're going to put it here. Then you draw your blush so that it will be perfect. Let me see. We are going to try it together and see if I'll be able to do a perfect job. It's not going to be perfect. Let me promise. Let me not promise that I'm gonna be perfect. I'm not going to be perfect. It's not going to be perfect. Not that I'm not going to be perfect, but I'm not perfect in makeups, or So we're going to do the blows for beginners. For all the beginners, you're going to follow the instruction, because they have given out the instruction of how you are supposed to use it. Okay, so stay tuned. Without forgetting, I have my Vaseline. So brush the brows up with the spoolie. My spoolie is here, so we are going to brush. Even I don't have much. So you're going to brush up. If needed, use the razor to shave the unwanted hair. So I have my mirror here. This is the razor. Then yes, I'm going to comb. Then I almost forgot to put some Vaseline. Vaseline, so that you'll be able to shave it well without cutting your skin or harming your skin. So let me comb. Then the razor. I don't know how people are able to do this. I'm not perfect, my people, so I'm just doing it my own way. I know I'm not perfect, so I know I'm not perfect in this. Yeah. Yes, that's how it is. I don't want to trim it so much. So I'm still going to do the same on the other brows. Yes. Up. I think you can see like a difference, a little difference. Then select natural or dramatic stencil, or align the base of the arc to your brush. So you can use the arc. Oh my god, you can use the arc. Shape your brow outliner with the stencil using the micro pencil or brow powder. Oh my god, where's the arc? Oh my god, where's the arc? You know, the arc is not visible. So this one is supposed to put it here. Then you do your thingy. Okay, I know. Oh my god, what am I doing? It's this one. So this one, we're supposed to put it there, so that will be perfect. I can see chekele. Me, I'm not fan of these things actually. So you see, check and it I gave up. My god, this mirror is not standing. Oh, for me, I want to use the arc, because I'm doing it simple. So what I do, I'll just feel the, I'll just feel it like this. Feel. You can see. You can see something. Then I come and feel like I'm feeling. It's like, you see, like that. It's like I'm feeling in. You see? Wadhani mi hizi si vitu zangu, by the way. Don't think I can do this. I can't do this. So you have to feel in. So after falling in, then you come, shape your eyebrows, outline stencil, then brush, then fill in upward stroke, just the way I've done. Then after that, smooth brows with a spoolie if needed. Yes, you can smooth with the spoolies if needed. Like, you can smooth it. You smooth it with the spoolie if needed. I know it's not perfect, but I'm just trying to follow what they have written for us. Oh my god. Shape your brows outliner with the stencil using micro pencil or brow powder and brush, and fill in upward stroke. So you can still use, I think you can still use this one, the powder, with the brush. Where's the brush? This one is tight, I know to clean this. Actually, I know that this one is not even visible. I don't know how they were saying what. So it's out of way. So you can shape it. People, mi urembo hii nitaezana kweli? I need to wipe out something. Oh my god. This one here is messing up. So I think I'm gonna leave them there. At least I've tried to follow their instruction. I was following the instruction. Yes, I was following the instruction. I still have some Vaseline. So guys, it's my first time to do this. My first time to I know they are not perfect. I know they are not perfect, but I want to learn. I want to try and learn to do brows. Hopefully I'll be able to follow instructions properly next time. Yes, please comment down below and tell me what you think about my brows today. My first trial. Yes, my first trial. Actually, I don't like these things because it takes a lot of time. So you feel like it's consuming all your time. Before you finish these, I don't know you have to do what. So guys, that's all for today. That's all for today. Comment down below how you think. I like this one, the arc. This arc, at least it has come out, but this one, woi, hey, hii kona ni kama imekwamilia pahali. So guys, that's all for today. That's how I do it, but I was just trying. It's my first time to try out using these things. Hopefully I'll be perfect one day if I won't be lazy to do it. So yes, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you're new here, hit the notification bell, subscribe, and watch all my videos. Yes, so that we can be notified anytime I upload new video. Okay, thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye bye.